morning. Good morning, everyone. He's still sick. Did you get candy from Grandma? Yeah? Look, yeah, you got candy. Yeah. Just yeah. You've been caught. Evidence. See? You see how much that hurts your throat? Do you want turkey? You want turkey or regular bacon? This one? Now, putting my butter in here. Look how beautiful it is. Okay. Start you off with this. Hold it. There you go. Inspection time. What flavor did I get? This is a very simple pancake recipe. I just remember having a pancake phase. I would be eating pancakes like every day. I was like craving it. I'm like, okay, this is not realistic anymore. Let's just stop for a bit. Okay, it's almost there. How beautiful golden brown that looks. Yes. There we are. And now the bacon. What's going on, girl? Warming up Noelle's bottle. First she'll get her bottle. I'm gonna feed her this. That way she's full. Carrots. Okay, Jeremy's breakfast is all done. There you go. Okay, now I'm gonna grab her chair. Oh my goodness. Yeah, yummy. Whoa, dude. Your bacon? Oh my gosh. This Noella. Okay, ready for your food? You ready for your food? Your food, don't dig on it. Yeah. Mmm. Yummy. Okay, I'm making chop suey, so this packet right here, seasonings. Starch to this so that way the sauce thickens. Soft, tender, low and slow, baby. This is Jacob's little lunch. He's going hunting.
Gotta catch them all.
Lunch. Gonna give some to Jeremy. He really likes these. Oh, we're gonna see potato powder. Here, this is what it looks like. She woke up from her nap. How was your nap? Good? Yeah? Was it good? Yeah, Danish jam on you. You have Danish little jam on you. Boy. Oh. I'm trying to play with Noel. No, Mom, I don't want to be babe. Hoy, maayong buntag. There's no way. So it's 9:22. Let's get cooking. Cheers! I found a spider this morning. You know, it's that type of season, okay? When it gets cold, little freaking crawlers start to go inside your house, and that's when you get the raid. Psst, psst. Yeah, get my chicken here. And I'm gonna prep it. And I'm gonna show you guys what I do before I cook this. It's really important that we wash our meats, okay? Because we don't know who handles them of food. So we're gonna make sure that it's nice and clean. You feel good eating it. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to get sick. That's what I'm trying to tell you. So I've rinsed the chicken already. Just get the excess water out of there. Okay. This shouldn't be a lemon. Like squeezing a tennis ball. Just mix your chicken. Let it grip. First of all, okay, let me just talk about this real quick. When people cook with meat, they get so icky about it. Like, dude, get in there. They're like so afraid of it. Oh my god, I'm gonna have germs. Bitch, shut up. Hey, washing things. Dirty. Okay, I'm gonna put the onions in here. And we gonna let it marinate. I don't know why I'm talking to that. I'm crying. When I see people, you know, making a meat stew or anything like that, or whatever the case is, dealing with meat, they go like this, like, no, like, bitch, fucking get in there, you know? I don't want to see that. Get on the meat. That's why you got soap. To wash your damn hands. There you go. Important. Aromatics. Okay, here's my garlic. Sprinkle on that garlic, baby. Toyo. Now, this may look a lot, but trust me, it's really not. Mantika. Wala ko ang dato puti. So, this is my dato. Amerikanong puti. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Bay leaves or laurel. Ooh! Ginoo! Grabe. Here it is. That's the before product. If someone's marinating something, you know it's gonna be good. Lord of mercy. Made a mess. I want a lot of sauce in this water. A little bit. Okay. Bye-bye. Okay, I'm gonna let it cook 2 hours max, okay? Chicken doesn't really take long to cook, but let's say if you're making like humba. Oh, ako ang paborito sa humba. So good. Love humba, the original bisaya. Low and slow cook. with rice, adobo. Life couldn't get any better than that. Okay, some people might not say this is adobo, but the way I grew up eating adobo was two ways. Like nice and saucy, or it was like hella dry. I don't like my adobo dry. I need to have a little glaze sauce on it. By all means, you can have it super dry, but I just like mine to be like, still has its sauce in it. This is one of Jeremy's favorite dishes, so I'm making it for him and also for Jake because he also likes it, and I do too. It's really good when you have a little bit of sauce on top of your rice, and it's just kumayan. I haven't had Filipino food in such a long time. Okay, and it's really hard to get Filipino food up here, or any type of like Asian products up here in the mountains. I mean, in the city, like in Denver, for sure you're able to get it, but in terms of like specialty types of food, you kind of have to like go outside of the town, about 2 hours deep to the city. Guys, I mean, like my chicken right now is glistening. Okay, it's screaming, eat me. I'm gonna break this up. Super tender. There you go. Mmm! Oh my god. So good. Guys. Grabe. That's so good. Okay, I gotta put some grocery bags in the car, because every time Jacob goes to the grocery store, he always forgets grocery bags. Just in Colorado, they got rid of grocery bags. What? Look what she got. She's like ready for snow and it didn't even arrive.
Oh yeah, it's frozen already. Okay. Look at this. Hey honey. Hey,
She got us a card.
this is special for your mother. Look, read. Special for your mother.
I don't have a problem with salt, okay?
Yeah, you do. And high blood pressure, you little brat.
Wow, she's like ready for snow. Come on. Anyway, look at this. This is gonna go here. This is Jeremy's. This is all his candy and stuff from trick-or-treating. Gotta give this to Jeremy's food. He's eating adobo. Whoa, dude.
Good girl.
Hey. Good morning, everyone. Today is 7:48. Today, what? Today's 7:48, guys, because that's the day. No. Today is November the 4th. First of all, I'm making coffee right now. A wolf came to town, and I don't know where my chicken is at, so R.I.P. R.I.P. Willow. First, let's have coffee. Don't you just love like fresh brewed coffee in the morning? Ah! Oh! It's better. Cup of Joe. Don't ask me why I'm using chopsticks. Okay, I'm just gonna knock this out real quick, so that way it's done and over with. Look at my attire right now. This is how I look right now. Like, for yes, I look ridiculous. Here we go. Ooh wee. Yep. You can still see footprints here, but it's so beautiful, you guys. I feel like I'm in Siberia. Oh, here it is.